that's kind of loud. Oops. Hello, everybody. This will be another of one of the most boring videos on the internet. And this time, instead of just doing math that you may understand, let's do something that even less people would understand. Quantum mechanics. And, oh, I didn't mean to mute that. Well, I'm gonna shut it off anyways. Yeah, so I need to study for an upcoming exam. Problem, I don't want to like ruin my streaming schedule or anything. That would be that'd be kind of bad, you know? Like I have this whole thing set up, barely. Um, but at the same time, I need to study for an exam because the last one I got a fucking 40 on. I don't want that. I don't want another 40 on it. I mean, thankfully, the class has like a passing grade of like fucking 50, but still. Anyways, so for today, I'm gonna do another of the most boring streams on the internet. Will it get more views than I expect? Will it get 0? Who knows? But for my own sanity's sake, because if I honestly feel like if I don't do this, I'm gonna cry. I will put on some music. Let's see here. What would be a good song? Fucking, come on. Let's. What would be. Yeah. Beautiful sounding. Yeah. Yeah, what I'm doing right now is I have to study for an exam. I don't want to ruin the stream schedule, so I'm gonna do another. But I've done this before, but I was just doing random calculus. Now I'm gonna be doing quantum mechanics. Sounds fun? This is to hype me up. Trust me, I'm gonna need it. So, one of the first things I need to study is particle on a sphere. So, okay, let's see. For particle on a ring, need to do fucking. I have no idea how legal this will be, but I mean, I got this for free online. I don't care. Let's see. I need to do. It's a particle on a ring, bitch. What the fuck? You do particle on a sphere, spherical harmonics. I think this. I should have prepared these. Actually, you know what? No, this is even more boring. This works. Excitation energy. Photon constrained to rotate with a circle. That's a circle. particle on a sphere. Unless that's... Oh, spherical particle contained with spherical cavity. This seems like one to do. I just downloaded Word for my desktop, so... Oh, wait, I didn't... I'm a dumbass. I am another dumbass. I am taking so many unnecessary screenshots. Now... I don't know if you could see the whole taking a screenshot process. But... So that's a good one. Oh, that's for spherical harmonics. See it though. Let's do that's spherical harmonics. Gotta admit, even though this is very weird stuff I'm doing, the music goes, as we say, fire. So, expect a lot of me asking, like, hey, ChatGPT, hey, how the hell would I approach this? Because for a lot of my studying, or like doing problems, that's what I do. I don't ask for the answer, but I always just go, yo, Planka, help me out here. Barbecue bacon burger. So what we did was if this looks confusing to you, this is the nightmare I have to deal with in my class. Oh, I'm not... Bitch. Atomic spectra... I want to go to the problems. Go to the problems. Where... Oh! Did I go right past this? Initially? Oh! Went straight to it's TV time. Okay, there's an automated playlist. The rest of it is all Deltarune. I mean, I'm not complaining. That stuff's good, but... didn't expect that. Probably... Yeah, do that one. I want one with like a numerical answer. There we go. This one has a numerical answer. Because that's what a lot of them are going to be. It's all doing math, not just... Oh, okay. A lot of the things on the exam just going to be doing math, finding an answer, rather than... just setting up something. What you're not gonna see is I'm gonna be flipping through a lot of papers. Wave function. Excited state of helium atom configuration. Construct wave function. Why not? Fuck, I'm gonna do both of these. That one's actually kind of easy, but that one's gonna be expected. In 1976 was mistakenly believed that one of the first super heavy elements had been discovered in the sable of mica. Its atomic number was believed to be 126! God damn! What's the most probable distance of the innermost electrons from the nucleus of the element? Such elements, relativistic effects are important here, but ignore them here. That is kind of funny. I'm doing that one. A lot of the ones we do aren't this long. It's probably a very bad thing to just not do it. No, no. Imagine if you were a smoke like that. My screenshot folders get fucking loaded like that. I have not cleared that out at all. I just realized it's not all Deltarune that the YouTube decided I would love. This is Undertale. How did I not realize this is Undertale? Might switch to something else though. I don't know if I'll get tired of it. Comic Spectra. So possible values of the total spin. What numerical ones? Come on. By the way, I'm streaming. Funny. I am doing another one of those, like, this is, warning, this is extremely boring. The most boring video you could possibly watch. Yes. I am just studying and doing, and it's not just, like, any studying. This is quantum mechanics.
Oh my god.
You want to join in?
Well, I gotta take a shower first, but I will after.
See how long he could last?
Yeah.
Also, do you know that meme where on one side you have the Bible in Chinese and on one other side you have Mozart? Because this is how I... Bible in Chinese and Mozart. I have not seen that before. Is that basically saying, like, you have no idea what's going on? Oh. I guess that one. Some of these I forget if we've even covered. So the other ones that is covered is 11B, 11C, 11D. Big Shot. I'll take it. Okay, I actually did. How about Doom 3 Tweaker? Okay, this playlist is taking me to copyrighted music, so... Why is it auto-generating playlists? I don't want that. World of Dread. Why are you auto-gen music? Okay. Okay, at least this one doesn't have songs in it that... I know you can't see the playlist it's generating, but... I don't know, some of them had songs that I feel like YouTube would remove this if I played them? I mean, I know for a fact that, like, Metallica really hates when you have their songs up. Really. Instantaneous. Or no, that was AC/DC that does that. They fucking hate it. Okay, 11B, rotational spectroscopy. Calculate the moment of inertia around the bisector of the OOO angle corresponding rotational constant of the 3-6 the ozone molecule. Bond angle 17, O bond length 128 cubic meters. Sure. Now I'm gonna make a little confession that I bet nobody's gonna see this. And I mean, I've already told some classmates about this. On some exams, I just straight up cheat because of how bad it is. The way I do this is that I have a super smart calculator that I can have, like... I can have document tabs that I just put equations inside. Optical distortion constant. I know we covered that, so yes. Bisection Boogie Ball, Lateral Hijinks, Orange Sport, These Nuts, maybe the frequency. Okay, yeah, something like this is gonna show up, I feel. So. Or not, who knows? A lot of the times, and I really hate that this happens, I just study for the wrong stuff. And then when I do the quiz, oh look at that! It's all like nothing that I've been studying. Probably. Is this extended? No, this is just normal Worlds of Red. Maybe this. Okay, so yeah, 11C and 11D as well, so these ones. I think I want these. I feel like these ones. If any of them come up that I cannot find the equations in my notes, then I'm just gonna pick something else. But who knows? She just may come up with some bullshit and it's like, you're supposed to know this. Ah. More Deltagoon. Derived. Well, not derived, but I want the vibration levels. Guess that. Yeah. Oh, this one again. I like it. Honestly, you could hang me for this. I think that 8-2 is my favorite level. Oh, 11D is very short. Which of the following laws may show incorrect direction? Not a lot of these are numerical. I guess choose that one. These are the questions I'm going to be studying. Let's start with... I'm gonna be going around. Start with the easy ones. Insert equation. Also, I want to pin this to add to quick access toolbar. Where's quick access? Where's quick access thing? Oh, right here. This thing is a lifesaver. So, nickel 2+. So let's take a look at a nickel. What nickel is on the periodic table. The table. So there's element number 28. One, two, P6 three S2 3 so that's 3D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in there. Yep. 3 P6, and then it does not have 4S because those 2 electrons are taken away. Electronic configuration for 22 ions, so that has 2 extra electrons. Meaning that one is only 1s, 2, 2s, 2, and then 2p6. Yeah, that's it for that one. Loads of money, pretty easy. This. So for this, doing wave function. Nope, nope. 5 R theta. Put chat back. Then equals so does oh yeah, R my brain kind of did a funny. No, no. No, not too. Bitch. Oh, I did the funny Sisyphus. Die. Be gone. Destroy. This will hurt. So because it has, that's a 20R on the equation sheet, we are given some stuff. So 20R would be square root of 8. No. No. This is negative. Well, okay, that might no. Rho. row to the tree. For the R part of the equation. Oh, nope. Forgot one part. Thought something looked off. 2 minus row. It looks like a P. There is no P. And then for the Y part, when it's 0, 0, just 1 over 4 pi. To a half. Otherwise known as a square root, but so that's the wave function right there. Now rho is the following. I think we're given the definition for rho. R over MA. Okay. Not Z is not evaluated here, which Z is the atomic number. So like hydrogen's 1, helium 2, lithium 3, so on. It is not affected by charge. And A, well, so it says evaluate. It wants me to solve. Where is... So am I not given the definition of mu in this case? Oh, I think... What level is this? Oh, it's Mirror Reaper fight. Need to know. Is bore radius the Is that it? Is that... Or radius. Let's see. It's a physical constant representing the most probable distance between the nucleus and the electron and the hydrogen atom's ground state, roughly 5.29 times 10 to the 11 meters. Smallest allowed electron orbit. Got it. So I think it's looking for that. And then there's the triple integral part. Probability density triple integral. Probability density wave function. No, but I mean like triple integral. Oh, this one again. Fine, I'll get my physical notes. This is an 8, yeah, 8 and 8. Spectrum. Okay, fuck it. First time bringing out Chat Japate. I don't care. Cat, I farted. Oh, so this is the... Okay, so does this just... me confused a bit. This is, yeah, just evaluate probability density. The nucleus. So I just treat that as normal? Oh, wait a minute. I know what I'm thinking of the whole thing about finding the chance of it. So the chance between some positions requires integration. This is not saying from 0 to a naught. Okay, that makes more sense now. I learned the reason why you actually need the... Usually, I think like, yeah, no shit, that like squaring something will be absolute value. But not necessarily with imaginary numbers, and in some cases, imaginary numbers do play a role in wave functions, and that's why it fucking sucks. So that... 1/8. Squared. For that, I can just combine these two. So 4 times 8 is 32. And then pi. I believe that's what it's asking for. Okay. Well. What is the orbital angular momentum as multiples of h? Orbital angular momentum. That the orbital angular momentum is represented by L, and so orbital. Ah, okay, I found it. H, I'm just gonna pretend that's H with a dash on it because I don't know how to type that out. Then square root of L plus 1. L have any values from 0 to n minus 1. With my brain starting to shut down. It's not good. Okay, it's not true. It's just for this one in particular. Just the overall energy of the orbitals and this the shell size. So the shell's the numbers like at the beginning. So there's like 4, 2, and 3. In that case. Nope, 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 no, 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 I don't. Okay. Okay, skipping ahead. Seems. I don't like this song. Okay. Better. I wonder what's for dinner. Yeah, anyways. Now, here, do. Why are we using Roman numerals? N equals 4, so L will equal 3. And then in multiples of h square root of 3 times 4, which equals square root of 12, or in other words, or in other terms, 2 times square root of 3. Not 2, nope. Root of 3. equals 1. Fucking... My god. My brain. That could be a good one, but right now I'm studying quantum mechanics-based stuff, which is boring, because very little people will understand it, which is perfect for such a stream. Because I have an exam coming up on Tuesday. The idea I did actually have similar to that is every single level I have to download one mod. If someone is in chat, they get to pick it, as long as it's not like one that makes the whole game fucking unplayable. So yeah, might do that. Who knows, maybe it could even be the next one. One just times 2. Wow! Which did you know that equals the square root of 2? Absolutely fascinating. So the 3p, n equals 3, L will equal 2. The next is every chapter install more mods, and the number of mods each chapter. Oh boy. I mean, my idea is already insane enough. And by that, do you mean like the number you have to download multiplies by 2 every time? So like, do 1, then 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Because with the amount of chapters, you'd have to do 2 to the power of 13, which is not even possible. I don't think there's that many. PC would blow, and there would be many of them fighting each other, to say the least. Just quickly pull up a calculator. Desmos 2 to the power of 13. That's 8,192 mods. By the... Oh yeah, but I forgot to do the sum of that, so... Yeah, so what that would be is sum, so I can get 0, 213 of 2 to the power of n. 16,383 mods. How many are on the Half-Life 2 workshop? Yeah, there's not enough. Oh, I thought you meant, like, it multiplies by 2 each time. That makes a lot more sense. So you'd have to download all of them. And some it will many of them will conflict with each other. I dare you to get, oh, okay. I double dare you. For one of the mods, you must get Cinematic Mod Alex. You know the one I'm talking about. Fully modeled. I'll take this calculator here, because that's going to come in handy. Which equals square root of 6. Whoa! Okay. So you want it in that order. So okay. A friend of mine. Yeah, I was talking to a friend about the game that Cass Van de Pol is making, Bommy, which looks awesome. Unbloat window. Well, recently I actually had to. Well, today I had to add some bloatware. Just so I can get Word. Because to get that, Microsoft saying, oh no, you have to get Microsoft 360, 365. You gotta get everything. It's like, fuck you, fine. I mean, like, no, like, look. How much file space do I have this PC? Man, I gotta do something. I gotta go do it. So. I'm not in a dangerous position. So I'm gonna save this. Oh. No. One location, I'm just gonna make a... I don't know if I'm gonna be sharing, like, personal stuff if I do this, so I'm just gonna... Put that in documents, and then I'm gonna put new folder stud D in shit. Then I'm gonna save that as exam 2 D10 save. Okay. How the fuck do you use Desmos? So it's basically just a normal calculator. You could do 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 times 8. You know, basic stuff. But it has more advanced features as well, like these functions down below. So you could use it like a normal calculator. Has graphing, So you could just put it to the power of 5. What's that? Oh, wow! How about y and then equals 2? That's some neat shit looking right there. God motherfucking damn! Let's get wacky. Sine y equals cosine x. Wow! Plus 1. No, plus 1. 0.1. Whoa. Yeah, but you could fuck around with it in many ways. Like, I have a bunch of stuff here. Like, for this one, an example of a 3D derivative. You could put any graph you want in here, and it shows the angle or the, you know, fucking square on there, but that aligns with that. I can't speak. But yeah, I don't want to do 3D. I want to get out. And I don't think the graphs will come in handy necessarily, but who knows. What is the energy of ground state and interior atom? So for that, energy at level N equals wait, what? What? Why would I need... Why is it telling me N and R infinity? This is R H. Okay. Oh, okay. But where's the mask go? I don't know where the mass is going in this. Because the only mass in this equation has to do with the mass of an electron. Oh, no. Please. Ah, that works. Squared. We're not doing what mu is. What's all this? Well, time to ask a clanker. Where would the mass of a deuterium atom show up when trying to calculate the energy of deuterium atom at ground state. I spelled deuterium wrong twice. Do not give the answer. All I have in mind is It's the reduced mass. Reduced mass? Modify it via the reduced mass, and that's where the mass shows up. So, energy times m d over m e. Here's why. Nope, no, not playing this. Not playing this. Oh. I see now. Oh yeah, bring chat back. New. Over. And reduced mass. Mu. No, wrong one. Mu equals MD's nuts. In other words, R equals MD MD 19737. The fact that I'm going this fucking slow is scaring me. Okay. Important numbers I need to know. Sorry, someone messaging me. Hello. I'm doing studying, but on a live stream at the same time to make it as boring as possible. Last time I did a very boring live stream by doing just normal calculus, but this time I'm doing something even less people will understand: quantum mechanics. Get mass of deuterium in kilograms. 3.3444 times 10 to the negative 27. Now I'm gonna do this one, but it's the first time we're adding more people, and then you can think about it took us a while to get to this mod. Come on. Nope. I'm not doing a video. I am opening up the calculator on my phone. And now 3 point. Oh, fraction first. 3.334. Nope. 3.344 times 10 to the negative 27 times 109,737 divided by 9. 9 times 10 to the negative 31 plus 3.344 times 10 to the negative 27. And that equals basically just 109,737, but 0.116. God, motherfucking damn. So how did that increase? What? How did that increase? Did I'm not going to question it. Okay. So, oh, no, I did not mean to mute that. Is any... This playlist YouTube, like, generated really loves Ultra Kill. I don't even listen to a lot of the songs on there. It's not on my the official Monkus Manimal Best Songs Ever playlist or something. So this right here. At level 1, because that's the lowest end you can get. Goes negative 6.626 times 10. What? Times 10 to the negative 34. That's what's it called? Constant. Thingamabob's constant. Then nope. Times 2.998 and 10 to the 8. Z is just 1, so ignore that. Also, N is just 1, so... Alright. All I need to do is multiply these. I think. Something feels wrong. I don't know. Answer times 6.626 times 10 to the negative 4 times 2.998 times 10 to the 8. As okay, that's like, so like this seems weird. There's negative energy. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, trust the process. Negative energy, usually that just means it's emitting something, but this is just when it's at a single point. Okay. Functions of That's a different unit though, right? There's nothing in these notes talking about vectors of the thing is construct a wave function, excited state of helium atom with 1s1, 2s1 using z if 2. This one should be easy because we're just constructing the wave function, not evaluating it. So apply. No, I keep getting this wrong. Psi. Yay! I'm gonna join some people in a game of Repo. Let's go! Says mustache guy. Judging by the fact that it's S orbitals, that should be that the psi should be 1. Okay, so 1 0 0 theta y times x used to and that one should be, so n would be 2, but because it's still s orbital, I believe that would actually be it'd still be 0. Okay. No. Now what is a wrong tab? Not gonna lie, you don't think you understand. Sorry, late. I saw that a bit late. Yeah, I wouldn't blame you. Because sometimes I barely understand. Often, actually. So... it's just 2 V over A. Aw, shit, man. Persona. No, no, I'm switching tabs. I accidentally closed it. No. I'm a failure. I closed the music tab. No. Live and learn. Okay, there is a lot of stuff in that playlist that I don't want to be played necessarily. I'll keep playing this one for right now. No. You can hardly swallow. This value right here is the same. We're gonna put it right here. Live and learn. We're on the edge of tomorrow. Live and learn. The words of yesterday. Live and learn. So this will be the same. Inside. Yeah. Now you're face down on the floor. Yeah. Now, value of A, I don't think changes things. Yeah, mass of an electron over corrected mass times a constant, so corrected mass should be both the same. And rho, though? Let's see here. Yeah, radius would be different, so rho stays different. Well, row is different rather, so 1. Live and learn. On the edge of tomorrow. Live and learn. The words of yesterday. Live and learn. Oh, I could just turn this into regular square root of 2. And then I could just turn that to normal 3. Now, row. Oh, why did it put a P? Row. 1. Row. 2. I love this song. I know it already played, but I love it. I'll just put 4 pi right here. Then also parentheses around that so it's more obvious. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, those are still... So what I could do is this. Row 1 plus row 2. Glad I realized that. Because I was getting rid of the divide by 2 thing because I thought I'm adding this almost same value, but nope, no. Nuh-uh. No. Then I want to put right over here. Why not? Boop, boop. 2 minus row 2. That should be the wave function. How many did I get done so? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, God. I think. Now, how long have I been going for? 2 hours? Yeah. I need a break from this. Think. Yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of these on my own time. So that'll be all for today. I hope it's been boring. But next stream will hopefully not be boring. Because that idea about the chat that picks the mods sounds good. So, bye-bye!